Don't you love it?
Don't tell me, is this a hotel?
Yo, 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 good morning! What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another vlog. I actually wasn't supposed to be back on YouTube this early, but today it is my friend Money Kicks' birthday! Alright guys, so for all of you who don't know, my friend Money Kicks is known as Dubai's richest kid. He's my brother. We've been doing YouTube since forever together, like it's just emotional. So I just met up with Rashid. This is his farm. He's gonna take us through some of the amazing animals they have.
He with the dawn in the dawn, you know what I'm saying?
I want to give a shout out to Dubai, so do me a favor, send this throughout the whole Dubai.
He's turning 18 years old. Dubai's richest kid is becoming an adult. Yo! We have a lot of things planned. It's gonna be crazy. I know how much you guys love the birthday video, so yeah. Now before today's video starts, smash the like button. Today's gonna be an insane day. If you're new around here, click the subscribe button. We're gonna have a lot of fun this entire week. The first thing we're actually doing, we're gonna unwrap my Ferrari. Now guys, you might be wondering why I have a knife in my hand. We actually need to cut the wrap off without cutting the car.
But you need to be very careful.
Bro, we have to use a knife this time.
I feel really bad doing this because it's an art piece. You know, I don't even remember what color it was under it. I can't remember the original.
What do you mean?
Is it red?
No. Oh, do you see that?
Who does that?
There we go. We're doing it! We're doing it! Look at it!
Alright guys, so this is really interesting. It is peelable paint and we managed to remove the corner.
This was paint that's just peelable.
So we're trying to get like a huge chunk to come off at the same time.
Woo! Oh my god! Oh! Why does it have to be so painful to watch this? Ah! And that is how you unwrap a car. It's like having a poster for our house.
I swear it feels so nice. Like, this thing is so smooth and easy to remove.
So here goes nothing. Right now we're gonna unwrap the rest of the car, so let's go! Oh. Woo! Guys, oh my god! I have a huge piece right now, like a huge piece, like this is taking way longer than I expected.
I think a professional should be doing this. Oh! Alright guys, this is what the car looks like.
Bro, that is crazy. There is my baby.
That was a very heartbreaking moment. You've had that wrap for a very long time.
So right now, I'm 2 minutes away from picking Rashid up. And yeah, pretty much what's gonna happen today is we're gonna have a surprise birthday party for him. Hey! 5 hours late, what's up? Hey! Alright guys, so right now we're reunited with the squad.
Well, the plan is
To find him a wife.
one. Good idea.
The good idea, bro, right?
He wants 4 wives. This guy's crazy.
I'm married to 5. To celebrate his birthday, we've booked a suite at a hotel. So you know he's turning 18.
He's legal now.
Down there, even though the water looks normal, there's a ton of fish in there. Bruh.
I want to eat them.
That's weird.
I see I'll fry them.
Imagine. Oh, fish.
I just saw them jump. They jump.
Really?
Yeah, I just saw them jump.
They actually surprised us at the hotel with a grand suite.
Is there?
So we're inside right now. This is where the suite is up there. But look at this place, it's so beautiful. Rashid's suite is up there, but this place is like a jungle inside the hotel. This is all real plants which they brought into the country.
I feel like we're in a scene of Jumanji.
Jumanji. Whoa. Yeah. The elevator here, it looks so sick. It's like made out of wood. ASMR, bro, ASMR. We have Eunice over here, you already know.
You already know. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Oh, he's here. Are you ready? Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Rashid. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Oh my God, no, yo, what are you doing? Don't, no.
Surprise! Nice. Oh, yeah. Surprise, Rashid.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rashid. Happy birthday to you. Guys, to my brother Rashid. We're in his room right now. We live in life, so you have to jump.
I feel like he's getting married.
I feel like this is a marriage right now. Guys, woo! Rashid, congratulations.
You know he can get married now. He's 18.
Yeah.
He could get married last year, no?
Wait.
I'll get married.
I mean, I love you, but I wasn't there for the gift.
Alright, guys. So, this is Rashid's real surprise, okay?
It's actually
You like this one?
this is my style.
Yeah, I was like, it's like the one you're wearing today. Love, bro.
Thank you.
I know, I see. Just.
This is the second one.
That's Lana's choice.
I don't even know what's in there.
I was sleeping.
I hope you don't have it.
Oh, sick. No, it's actually sick.
Hey.
Gucci on my belt.
That's Lana.
That's Lana. That's why you know.
Hey, guys, check it out. I hope it fits.
I don't care. If it doesn't fit, it will fit.
This is like first grade. Right at my head.
Oh shit! Alright guys, so right now Rashid and S1 quickly went to change their clothes. Now, as I told you, today I have another surprise for Rashid. Ever since I've known Rashid, he wants to drive, and today he's turning 18 years old. So I'm actually going to be giving him my Ferrari for the next 1 month. Oh, we got you a surprise. You know that you're 18 now, and we love you so much. So we were like, yo, there's only one way to celebrate. 3, 2, 1, open. Surprise.
It's the most calm.
Bro.
Bro, yeah.
Yeah, but you're 18 now, you can drive.
You're gonna give it to me?
Yeah.
Say wallah.
I swear you can take it for the month.
We'll go get all the girls.
Oh!
Give it to me for 1 month.
Bro, 1 month the car is yours.
Say wallah.
I swear, I wouldn't lie to you.
Rep the car, check it out. I always wanted to do this. We need to put it where? Sport.
Oh, sport mode. This is not a good idea.
Okay, wait. This is loud. You're gonna get this back in a month. I want my real gift.
What do you mean your real gift? What do you mean?
If you see this in the road, you know it's money fix. So
Ah.
oh, the keys inside.
Oh shit.
No, thank you. Go. You heard the sound?
Uh-oh. Bro, I feel like the window's gonna break.
Yeah.
Guys, he's 18 years old.
18, but boy. But I don't need any gifts. I just want to thank everybody who gave me their gifts. Okay. But the most important is being with you all. Yeah, you guys helped me a lot in my YouTube life. You helped me a lot in my life.
In my life, YouTube life.
Everything, you know. You guys stood with me, and I love you guys, and I always got your back. You impressed me when you guys are together.
Ah, stop being cringy now. So much love.
Bye bye.
It's our car. Enjoy, guys.
Don't stop.
Happy birthday. All right, happy birthday, Rashid. We love you.
Happy birthday. So we're at the villa, and this villa has its own entrance and parking. So you see it's a gated villa inside the resort.
Guys, welcome to the villa. Wow. Oh my god. Wow.
Oh my goodness, I love it.
Don't you love
Don't tell me, is this a hotel?
Bro, this is crazy.
Beautiful.
There's a balcony area, like, that's crazy. Oh, wow. That's a nice pool, y'all. I want to jump in so badly.
Oh, that's what you call a party.
Bro, you know we can swim in
badly. I've seen villas on like hotels, but this is probably one of the biggest one I've seen.
There's even a jacuzzi here.
This is really beautiful. They have an infinity pool. Look at that.
You have your own private garden here, and you have your own private beach.
This is like, you can live here, that's it.
Yeah, and it's the biggest private like hotel villa that you can rent on the palm.
This is your living room inside the villa. This is a hotel.
Yes, this is a hotel.
Just to let you know, this is a hotel. Wow.
Yes, drowning.
This kid is crazy, bro.
Amazing interior design.
This is a master bedroom with direct access to the pool, guys.
Wow.
I'm tired. I'm tired of walking.
That's the coolest chest that I've seen ever.
And
Checkmate.
checkmate.
Okay, never mind. That's not how you play it. That's not how you play it.
That's how they taught me.
So we're upstairs right now, guys. This is like the pathway. Look at this. Can you see all of this? Oh my goodness.
No, do you see?
Hi.
He is 18. I can't believe it.
Happy birthday. Alright guys, we're gonna end the vlog here. We love you all.
We love you
Subscribe. Go check out Rashid's video too.
Yes. And thank you guys for watching. As always.
thumbs up.
Yalla,
YOLO.
Bye.